Sir, that adjutant we recovered is down in the lab. She's all powered up.
Talk to me, you old piece of junk. What do you know?
User identified. Raynor, James. Ex-Marshal, Marsara Colony. Joined Sons of Korhal Terrorist Group. Status, criminal.
Enough about me, darling. What else you got locked up in that synthetic head of yours?
User status, criminal. Access denied.
Playing hard to get, huh? We'll see about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, each night I bring you the news in the most fair and balanced manner possible. But tonight I have a commentary. Some have asked me what the difference is between our leader, Emperor Mengsk, and the traitor Jim Raynor. They point out that Mengsk rebelled against the government of his youth and came to power through the use of violence and subversion. Why is it wrong for Jim Raynor to rebel in similar fashion? There is a difference. When Emperor Mengsk began his revolution, there was no threat hanging over humanity. James Raynor is waging his revolution while we are at war with 2 alien races. James Raynor, have you no conscience? Shouldn't you fall in line, putting your petty complaints aside as we struggle for humanity's very survival against this alien menace?
Everyone's a critic. Robbing a train again get you feeling nostalgic?
Damn straight. We must have hit the Shell Express a dozen times back in the day. Ah, that keeper never got old.
Almost got us killed when they smartened up and started using outriders to chase us.
Never was a man of 'em could keep up with you on a vulture, Jimmy. Just added to the fun. How the hell you got a job as marshal after all that? I'll never know.
I've been looking for an encryption expert so we can access the adjutant we recovered. No luck so far.
Colonel Orlin at Dead Man's Port can crack anything. Haven't been back there in a while. Say, didn't you end up getting married last time we were there?
I told you before, if I knew what the prize was, I never would have joined that card game.
There's just something about a lover's reunion that chokes me up.
We still need to access the adjutant we retrieved from Tarsonis. Our old mercenary associate, Colonel Orlin, is an expert in Confederate code decryption. If our intel's right, he should still be based at the Merkhaven at Dead Man's Port. He's not very trustworthy, but he's our best bet of breaking that encryption. Dead Man's Port. It's risky just waiting here with all these mercenaries around. Colonel Orlin's sure taking his time decrypting that adjutant for us.
Yeah, I'm getting a bad feeling about this.
Incoming transmission.
James, Orlan decrypted your adjutant, but he's planning to sell it to the Dominion. Must have been something exciting in there. He wants me to keep you off his back until they arrive.
That's nice, Mira. But why are you telling me all this?
Because I like you and Matthew better than him, of course. Match Orlan's offer, and I will help you take him out instead. He's paying in minerals, so I'll give you the same deal.
Done. Always a pleasure, Mira.
Don't take too long now. If Orlan comes up with the goods first, I will have to side with him. Oh, and say hello to Matthew for me. Ask him why he never calls.
It's gonna be hard to get minerals down there. We'll have to find salvage if we're gonna hire Mira before Orlin does. You think she'll help Orlin, sir?
She's a mercenary. She'll help whoever pays the most.
All right, boys. We got a deal with Mirahan. Now let's get to work and get that adjutant back.
By the numbers, boys. Sure. 10-4.
Pirates have been stripping down ships here for years. It should be pretty easy to collect enough scrap to pay Mira off.
Who wants some? Can't wait. Aye, aye, sir. Outstanding. Of course. That's fine. I'm on it.
Add-on complete.
Go, go, go! You gonna give me orders? Oh, yeah. SCV ready.
The doctor is in.
Incoming transmission.
I left a little present out here for you and Matthew. I never got to give it to him last time you boys were here.
Damn, Jimmy. Are those vulture bikes?
Good eye, Tychus. We can use them to lay mines around our base to hold off Orlin.
No problem. Yeah, I'm going.
Those shredders are constantly producing scrap we can salvage. We should check this area again later.
Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? What are you? Fire, sir. No problem. Dig it. Oh, is that it?
You better send some body bags.
Rose calling. Born to be wild. No problemo. Yeah, I'm going. Rose calling. Dig it. Oh, is that it? Born to be wild. Yeah, I'm going. Rose calling. No problemo. Oh. Yeah. Dig it. Yeah, I'm going. Oh, is that it? Dig it. Who wants some? Go, go, go!
The doctor is in.
Waiting on you. Why not? Keep your shirt on, Sparky. That's fine. What's going on? I'm going. Bet. Armed and ready. Looking forward to it. Yes, sir. Aye, aye. Will do. Go, go, go! Can't wait. I reach ya. Yeah, I'm going. The road's calling. Oh, is that it? Dig it. Born to be wild. No problem.
Base is under attack. Additional supply depots required.
Will do.
Add-on complete.
Something on your mind. Road's calling. Yeah. I read you, sir. Born to be wild. Oh, is that it? Yeah, I'm going. Dig it. No problemo. Oh, is that it? What are you... Yeah. Something on your mind. Born to be one. No problemo. The road's calling. Dig it. Yeah, I'm gone. Dig it. No problemo. Born to be wild. Oh, is that it? The road's calling. Oh, is that it? Born to be wild. Dig it. Yeah, I'm gone. Road's calling. No problemo. Fire, something on your mind. Oh, is that it? Born to be wild. Road's calling. Yeah, I'm gone. No problemo. Oh, is that it? Dig it. No problemo. Who wants some? Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Oh, yeah. I'm on it. Go, go, go. Got it. Oh. 10 more. Sure thing. Well, I read you, sir. Road's coming. Yeah, I'm going. Dig it. Oh, is that it?
All right, Mira. We both know you're ripping me off, but I'm gonna hire you anyway.
My forces are yours, Jim. I'm so glad I got to side with you and Matthew.
Oh, scheming little. I'll show you what happens to double-dealing backstabbers. What do you want?
Not enough minerals. Not enough energy. Mineral field depleted.
Huh? Big job? What's going on? Yo. Yeah.
Our SCVs are under attack.
The doctor is in.
Victory is ours. On the move. What's the plan?
Just say where.
Where does it hurt? Need some triage?
Got a whole lot of love.
The doctor is in.
Sure thing.
What? How devious. Victory is ours. I like it. On the move. What's the plan? Of course. How devious. My pleasure. Excellent. Victory is ours. On the move. I like it. Victory is ours. Excellent. On the move. I like it. My pleasure. Of course.
You gonna give me orders? Yeah. Armed and ready. Give up!
What's our target? Go, go, go! Let's roll! Need something blown up? Go ahead.
Not enough energy.
Of course.
Who wants some? This better be good.
What do you want?
By the numbers, boys. Sure. 10-4. I'm on it. Go, go, go! What's our target? Need something? Give us your best shot! What's that? Let's roll! I'll give it my best shot! Armed and ready. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. You got it. Will do. Aye, aye, sir. Looking forward. Of course. Sure. I'm on it. Affirmative. Roger that. Go, go, go! Got no patience!
What's on your mind? Excellent. Of course. Victory is ours.
Yeah. The road's calling.
Fire. This better be good.
Mineral field depleted.
Keep your shirt on.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
Moving. Go ahead. Give us your best shot. Got no patience with setbacks. I never tread like.
Go on. My pleasure. How devious.
I got a little present headed your way.
Victory is ours. I like it. Of course.
Give us your best shot. This better be good. Got no patience. Speak up. Damn this mess. Let's go.
What's on your mind? Victory is ours.
Armed and ready. Gangway. Yep. Armed and ready.
All right, I surrender. Just take your damn hatchet already.
I ought to do the universe a favor and put you down for it. It's too bad I might need to hire you someday. Mira, do me a favor. Keep him on ice.
You got it, Raynor. I will keep the snake safe and sound for you. I will even do it for free.